smische Ilse Alim. I'm Ilse Alim. I'm here vrijdag aan Glasgow. I live with my husband and our 2 children. We also have 2 little furry friends, Sugo agus Popcorn. Sauna Frankfurt aan Sejedemalch a mi vo hús. When I was looking for a school that offered an additional language, I came across Gaelic medium education. I started learning Gaelic so that I could support the children, but it has now become a personal project that I really enjoy for myself. Okay, macha, have a tagras orf. Hai a korte groen gemoor a via bruin Gaelic.
Mommy, I shop last at Tapalave.
Shit op via achteruit. In my spare time, I do volunteer work to support refugees. I'm making up care packages for refugees in the city. We have essential items here ready to go. Chicken, uitdag, rutten machine. I moved to Scotland in 2008, and at the time I was working as a simultaneous interpreter. Anish, bí mi a checkist Geramaltish do Yinnebich. Ha Geramaltish akum, ha Frangish akum, ha Björla akum, Bacon Spanish, agus anish ha Gaelic akum. I'm planning on taking a dip to raise money for charity. I hate the cold with a passion, and so for me, this is quite a challenge. So today I'm doing a bit of training. Hi voer! Ach, bí mi a fas clachtjerish.